everybody, here is Tigerman7 and today we have a new episode which is really awesome because I got this dirt car which I made myself. It looks very cool and as you can see it's very big. It's nearly as big as Tigerman7. It's very, I think it's bigger than my hand. Anyway, so today I'm going to show you this car, but I'm not going to show you how to make it because it's a bit hard. So I made all the details inside, outside and everywhere around the car. So I'm just going to show you the car, and to start I'm going to show you the engine. Okay, so this is the engine of the car. I'm not gonna open this part yet because this is the interior of the car and I want to save it for last or second last. Anyway, this is the engine of the car, so it's very big. I put loads of details on all the parts of the car. I try to use normal car pieces, not only from Lego, but I try to make car pieces that look real, like this one. This is still the interior of the car, only is this part in from here, which is still part of here, because it looks like it's parts from the engine and the air is coming from down there. Next, I'm gonna show you, actually, this is the hood of the car. If I put it on, it looks like my car, but now it looks like it. So next I'm gonna show you guys the this part of the car, which is still very big. Okay, so this is the down part of the car. I still haven't put too many details in this part, but I promised it will have more details. And yeah, I had to use for the car to look good with the wheels outside here. I really had to use two kinds of wheels, two wheels on each side, because it would only look like that. You won't really see it. It looks much different. That's why I used one piece like this and connect it to the part of the car, to this part of the car wheel. And connect it to the other wheel to make two wheels. And this is the down part of the car, which I tried to use as many bricks as I could to make it very strong. And this is how I made it. Oh, and the thing this is, if this thing is for the car, if it gets stuck in mud or things like that, it could come. And different car can come and get it out easily. Now I'm gonna show you, well, the next part of the car, which is the interior. So that's the best part of the car. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the interior part, which starts from here. Now I made a kind of back door so I can get into the car, and all I do is take this out. Well, it wasn't supposed to break, but it might have a minor problem back here, and that's how it looks. I got some things here so I can get it out easily, this part of the car, which is a kind of door, and I got this too to hold the door down there. And you're probably wondering, why is this part here? That's a part for the back of the car. There's no back seats in the car. That means I had to put this. And this is how the car looks inside. I got only two seats, a gear changer, and some buttons up here. I don't know where the steering wheel is. Anyway, this will be where the steering wheel is, which I will find right now. And after I find the steering wheel, I'll show you the other parts of the car. Okay, so I found the steering wheel. This is where the steering wheel goes. It's a blue steering wheel, like the hood and this part here. And some parts here. Okay, so this is, I think, the whole interior of the car. I've put air conditioning down here. And I would have put it up here one, but it wouldn't stay up here. Even this cannot stay too good to the car. And I just put this for details. Now only to put the thing back on, I just have to do this and this. Now I can leave it without the thing, with this thing. And it doesn't have anything on top. And if I put this on, the car looks more normal. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my car, which I really like. And leave a like down below if you want me to make more cars like this and present to you. Because I can make loads of cars. Maybe much bigger or smaller. Or race cars. Or monster trucks. Well, anyway. Just leave a like down the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time at our next video. Bye!